one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. Have you ever felt like parts of your life are overlooked, as if no one notices them? But the Lord says, trust in me, that I am the one who is bringing out the beauty that is inside of you. I am the one who values you for who you are. There is a beauty that is unfolding in your life, a beauty that I am bringing forth. For you are not forgotten. I created you as you are on purpose. I created you unique, unlike anyone else. Trust in me that I am renewing you, I'm healing you, I'm restoring you. I'm showing my beauty through you, the beauty of my love, the beauty of who I am. You are mine and I am yours. I love you and I am restoring you in this time in a way where you will shine with my light and where others will see, others will know that I am the Lord who is with you. Do not be afraid, for you have a true value and a true worth, a value which cannot be overlooked. For I gave my life so that you could live. I created you. You are mine and I am yours. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.